to Rev Sports. I'm Gargi Raut, and joining me today for this video is Shubhayan Chakrabarti, and it's a special one because we're here in Manchester. It's our first day here, the whole team together, and we're here to have some great Indian meal at the Zia Asian Grill. I'm not sure what this street is called, but we're in the city centre.
Yeah.
We'll soon figure out. It's just our first day here,
Right.
but some great food waiting for us inside.
Right.
What we're going to talk about before we get to the food is obviously the number 3 position. The number one question that everyone is asking at the moment. Shubhayan, do you think Karun Nair is getting dropped in the next match?
Firstly, before we get into the food, the playing combination, one thing I want to tell you about Zia Asian Grill is that one of my followers in Instagram texted me who stays in Manchester that if you want to come to Zia, I'll take you along for a meal. And then I said that we are going to have food, our daily food in Zia, because and he said that it is one of the better Asian restaurant going around in this city. So yeah, we are privileged to be here and looking forward to some great food. But coming to your question, Gargi, it's a tricky call because Karun Nair, if you talk about that number 3 position, he has done well. He has gotten those starts 30, 40, playing out those crucial overs with the new ball where England pacers could have done a lot of damage. He has given that cushion to Shubman Gill and Rishabh Pant to come and play the old ball and score big runs, which Shubman and Rishabh have done in this series so far. So it's and Karun is a crucial component in that slip cordon as well. He has taken around 5-6 catches in this series so far and have looked very, very composed in that slip cordon and aggressive as well when need be against this England side. So Karun Nair, I think, will get another shot in this series, but you never know. If Rishabh Pant's finger does not heal in time, if he has to play as a specialist batter, then you might see a Dhruv Jurel come into the scheme of things, especially in that top order, and you can put in Shubman Gill at 3, you can drop down Dhruv Jurel at 5 or 6 given the kind of combination the team management will think. But at this point, a week still to go for the match, I feel that Karun will keep his spot in the playing 11, but you never know with the injuries and the combination.
Even apart from that, we still have another question that is looming around, which is Jasprit Bumrah and whether or not he will participate in this test match. Now, Shubhayan, I think when we look at the entire scheme of the pace attack,
Right.
the question that can we take 20 wickets is out of the park, even without a Jasprit Bumrah. So do you rest a Jasprit Bumrah here, play him at the Oval, or do you play him here now that the series is at stake? This could be the decider.
See, people will say we won without Jasprit Bumrah in Edgbaston. Again, like Manchester, in Edgbaston also we had never won a test match before the game that we played recently. In Manchester also we have not won a test match. 9 matches, I think 5 draws and 4 defeats in India's bank. But it's a no-brainer because in after Leeds the series was not on the line. Here the series is on the line, and you would want your best bowler to be there, regardless of the workload, regardless of whatever he's going through at this moment with his back. You have a break of 9-10 days, 8-9 days, so you have ample amount of time to rest your pacers. Don't make them bowl at the nets if they don't want to, if there's an issue with the workload, and make them play. Jasprit Bumrah does not need practice. You have seen that.
Yeah.
Whenever he bowls for even 10-15 minutes, he's right on the money at the nets as well. So Jasprit Bumrah, he has to play. We can debate whether Arshdeep Singh or Kuldeep Yadav can come into the playing 11, but in regards to Jasprit Bumrah, he has to play that match because the series right now is on the line.
Absolutely. And now, when we talk about Zia, what are you looking forward to eating? Because I think after the long travel that we had from London to Manchester, we're all, craving some good Indian home-cooked meal. And I'm a vegetarian, but you guys have been talking about butter chicken all day.
Butter chicken was Virat Kohli's once favorite meal. So let's see. I can if I give a quick peek, then I can see some lassi glasses also. So
yes.
I'll taste. I'll have some lassi inside, and of course, let's see. In terms of menu, there's butter chicken, chicken tikka masala, all the Indian dishes that Indians away from home or Asians away from home crave. So we have everything in our platter. So let's see what we'll get to taste today. But we'll give you all the updates regarding the food at Zia as well.
Absolutely, we will.
दाल का कलर आप देखें, मुझे तो लग रहा नहीं कि मैं भारतीय सरजमी को छोड़ के इंग्लैंड में खाना खा रहा हूँ। और पनीर का तो जब स्टार्टर आया था तब हमारी बहन त्रिशा ने कहा, जो हार्डकोर नॉन वेजिटेरियन है, उन्होंने कहा कि पनीर की क्वालिटी अच्छी लगती है, मैं एक पनीर खाऊं। और वाकई में जो मलाई पनीर हमारे यहाँ मिलता है ठीक उसी तरीके का पनीर। और दाल का कलर अगर आप देखें, ये नॉर्मल जैसे हिंदुस्तानी रेस्टोरेंट में हमारे यहाँ जो दाल मिलती है दिल्ली में, चंडीगढ़ में, उस तरीके की दाल है। निवाला आप लोगों के लिए बेहद ही उम्दा, बेहद ही उम्दा। हेमंत,
Thank you so much everyone for joining. Thank you Shubhayan and thank you Dev for making this happen.